Hello, Azaan. In the last class, we have discussed when uh, when the object is placed between pole and focus of concave mirror. This is pole, and uh, actually this is pole, and this is focus. And when we place the object between focus and pole, image is formed behind the mirror, and the image is virtual and erect, and the size of the image is larger than the object, that is magnified, also known as magnified. So now we will place the object at focus. We are moving in this direction. First we have placed the object here. Okay. Now we will place the object at focus, and we will see where will be the image formed. Object at focus. Object at focus. This is the concave mirror. This is principal axis, and suppose here is somewhere focus, and this is the object. This is the object, and here will be center of curvature, and this is pole. Now from this object, suppose a ray of light is coming which is parallel to this principal axis, which is parallel to principal axis. So we know that when the light ray is parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus. It will pass from the focus. It will pass like this. And I told you that for the formation of image, at least two rays must meet or appear to meet. So from this object, we will take two rays. One ray is like this after the reflection. The ray is like this, and now there is another. This is the straight line, Azaan. Please consider it as a straight line, as sometimes it is not possible to make. Okay, so you can understand that. And we know that this is the pole. This is the pole, and from the pole, we know that I have told you here, when the light ray is incident on the pole, after the reflection, it makes the equal angle. Here I equal to R. The light ray will go like this. So in this case, mm, suppose this is making an angle theta. So here also this light ray will make an angle theta and will go in this direction. So Azaan, these two rays are parallel rays. These two rays are parallel rays. And parallel rays will meet at infinity, meet at infinite. We know that means when two rays are parallel, they will meet at infinite. Infinite means we can say at very large distance. At very large distance. So the formation of image meet these rays will meet at infinite. So means the image will form at infinite. Image at infinite. The image is formed where the light rays will meet, and here the light rays are meeting at infinite. So means the image will form at infinite. So from here, first thing is position. For the position of image, you can say at infinity, infinity or infinite. The image will form at infinite. Nature. Again, here now Azaan, these rays will actually meet at infinite, or these rays are dotted line, or I can say these rays are just appear to meet.
Sir, appear.
No, here the rays are not appearing to meet. Na, I appear to meet is like this. These rays will meet, but in at infinite. Okay, these are not appearing to meet. Appearing to meet, you can say when you draw this like this, and like this, and like this. So fine. So nature, because these rays are meeting in uh, reality, means these rays are meeting actually. So we can say nature of image will be real. And with real, there is a term, the image is real and inverted. And I have told you what is inverted means. This you can see here. If the object is like this and image is like this. And another thing is size. What is the size of image? So size here will be highly magnified, means very large image will form.
Yes.
Highly magnified. Highly magnified. Okay, fine. First we have done like this, means from the object a ray is parallel to the principal axis, falls on the concave mirror, and according to the rule, this ray passes through focus, and another ray. Why we are taking two rays? Because I have told you in the beginning that image will only formed when at least means kam se kam, at least two images must meet or appear to meet. Now we will place the object in between. Here you can see. First we have placed the object here. Then we have placed the object here. Now we will place the object in between center of curvature and focus. Center of curvature and focus. So, third. Object in between C is center of curvature and focus F. This is the mirror. And this is the principal axis. And this is focus. And this is center of curvature. And here somewhere the object is placed like this. Object is placed like this. So from here, suppose from this object a ray of light is incident on the concave mirror like this, and if the ray is like this, means which is parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus after reflection. It will pass from the focus after reflection. No problem. So we can do like this. After reflection, it will pass from focus. Okay. Now another ray from this is incident on the pole, and this ray after the reflection, this ray will go like this. We have already discussed. Means go like this. Meet this ray somewhere here at this point. And now I have told you at a point where the two rays are meeting, means at that point the image is formed. This is the image formation point. So this is the object, and the image of this object is like this. Simply you should draw the arrow like this. Means this is the image this time. This is the image this time. Now it's okay. So Azaan, this is the straight object. Means this is like this. I have not looking straight in the diagram, but straight means perpendicular to this principal axis. The object is perpendicular to the principal axis. So from here, this is image. This is image. And this is object. So first point is, and remember this is pole P. First point is position of image. Position of image is, we can say the image is formed behind the center of curvature beyond C. Beyond C. Center of C is center of curvature, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Position we can see from the diagram. The image is this, center of curvature is this. means the image is behind the center of curvature, means beyond C. So nature. Now Azaan, please tell me what will be the nature of this image. Will this image is real or virtual?
Real.
Okay, very good. Why real?
Sir, because they are meeting.
Okay, fine. And please tell me, uh, the image is inverted or erect?
Inverted.
Very good. Actually, we have done nothing. All the things are done by this mirror only. We are just writing the things. Size, larger than object. This is object and this is image. So we can say larger than object, or we can say just simply magnified. Magnified is also known as larger than object. You have to learn how to draw the image formation, how to draw the diagram of image formation. You should take two rays, and for one ray, first incident on the concave mirror from the object which is parallel, and that ray should be parallel to the principal axis. And if the ray is parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus like this. And secondly, second ray is from the object, is incident on the pole, and we know if this is making an angle theta here, this will also angle theta. This is also angle theta. Now, now, see here. First object here, then here, then here. Now object will be at center of curvature, and we will see what will happen. Third, sorry, not third. This is point number 4. Point number 4. Object at center of curvature. So this is concave mirror, and this is principal axis, this is pole, and suppose this is the center of curvature, and here somewhere there will be focus in the middle of pole and center of curvature. This is center of curvature, this is focus, and this is pole, and the object is placed here. This is object. Now what I will do, the ray from the object will strike to the concave mirror, and it will be parallel to the principal axis. If the ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the ray will pass from the focus. This is focus. We know this very well. And we know this is center of curvature, so I am just removing this. I am taking another ray from here. We should take the same color. Like now this time from this object, the ray of light is like this, uh, passing from focus, passing from focus. And we know that when a ray of light from the object is passing from focus, what happened? The ray of light is passing from focus, it will become parallel to principal axis. It will become parallel to principal axis. Means you can say, mm, yeah, means like here this ray will intersect. Okay. So Azaan, please imagine this. This is the point. And this ray is meeting here, somewhere here. And from here, I can say that the image is like this. Okay. The image is like this. So this is the object and this is image. And first thing is position. These three things are important. Position, the image is forming, the object is at C. The image is also at C. The image is also at C. C for center of curvature. C for center of curvature. So this is F focus and this is C. This is C. So position, what can you say about the position? The image is at center of curvature itself. So we can say when the object is placed at the center of curvature, the image is formed at the center of curvature. Means the position of object and image is same. Now nature. Azaan, tell me what is the nature?
Yes, sir. Real and inverted.
Very good. Real and inverted. You can see this. Here the light rays are meeting actually means real, and inverted, the arrow is in downward direction. And size, I will tell you. Same size as object. In plane mirror also, no matter what is your position in front of the plane mirror, the image will form same size of the object with respect to position. Now uh, there is last case, not of last case of this chapter, means this topic. Yeah. This is fifth point. Fifth point. Fifth point means now where we will place the object. First here, then here. Okay. After that here. After that here. Now we will place the object beyond C. 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 Place the obj Behind, you can say, object is behind C. Object is behind is placed behind, or you can say beyond C, center of curvature. You should remember what is C, what is P, what is F. C is center of curvature, P is pole, F is focus. So this is the concave mirror and this is the coating, and this is the so okay, now it's okay. Now suppose this is focus, this is center of curvature somewhere here, and the object is placed beyond C here. See, this is a, and this is pole. So from here, a ray of light is incident on this mirror. A ray of light is incident on this mirror from the object which is parallel to principal axis. We are doing this again and again, again and again. And if this is parallel to principal axis, means it will pass from the focus. Means this ray will pass from the focus. This is the point you get. Okay, this is the point at which the ray is incident. And now another ray of light, another ray of light no, it's fine. So this is center of curvature. Okay. So we know that Azaan, that if a ray passing from center of curvature, if a ray passing from center of curvature, like you can see here, if a ray passing from center of curvature, it will retrace its path.
Yes, sir.
It will retrace its path after the reflection, and this ray will meet here. This ray will meet here to with this ray, and this is our image. This is our image. Okay, this is our image. Now, this was the object, and the image is this. How should I meet? Like you can say, this is your image. How should I draw this? Okay, so this is your image. Will you remember this point? Actually, there is no space to denote the image. I am
Yes.
denoting like this. This is image. Image. Now, Azaan, position. Tell me position of image.
Okay.
Take it easy and tell me the position of image. And we know that this is the image. This is image. This is our image.
Sir, it is between C and F.
Very good. Between C means center of curvature and F.
F.
Very, very good. And nature.
Sir, nature is real and inverted.
Hmm. Hmm. Real and inverted. Because why real? Because the rays are actually meeting, not appear to
Yes.
meet. And inverted means you can see the object is like this and image is like this. This is object, this is image. So the image is inverted. Inverted image. And size, we can easily uh, analyze this. Size is smaller than object.
Yes, sir.
So you can see here, first ray I am drawing from the object always always parallel to principal axis. See here, always parallel to principal axis. Always. No matter where the object is, always. Always. Here also. And second ray, we are drawing accordingly. Okay, we are drawing accordingly so that the image can be formed easily. So Azaan, please note it down from here na? From here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note it down. And ask me to scroll down when complete.
Okay.
And take your time
Okay.
and also make proper diagram and write all the things, right? Try to write all the things as I have written. With practice, you can make these diagrams very easily. When you will do practice for 2 or 3 times, you can draw these diagrams easily.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Completed not this one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so now from here.
Sir, scroll down.
Azaan, should I scroll down?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Okay, fine.
Sir, now you can scroll.
Okay. Scroll up,
No, sir, down.
down. This was the last now. Now we will you discuss next. Okay. Completed na till here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is one last case. See here. First the object is placed here, then here, then here, then here, then here. Now we will place the object at infinity. And we will see what will happen. This is point number 6. Object at infinite. Object at infinite. Okay. So when the object is at infinite, this is the concave mirror, and this is the principal axis, and this time the object is at infinite, and we know from please remember one thing: whenever the object will be at infinite, the rays from that object are parallel. Like sun is at infinite with respect to us, then we consider that the rays from the sun are parallel. So suppose the object is an infinite and rays are coming like this, means you can say like this, this, and another parallel ray. These are parallel rays, and this is focus. One thing is clear: these rays are from infinite, coming from infinite. These rays will must pass. These rays must pass from the focus. So these rays will pass like this. Hmm, like this, and this ray will be like this. You can say. Okay. So here these rays are meeting. Parallel rays, and after reflection, this is like this, and this ray is like this. Okay, and these rays are meeting here, and we get the image. We get the image like this. This is the image. This is the image. An object, we know object as infinite, at infinite. So this is focus point. This point is F. This point is F. So means the rays are parallel to the mirror, meeting at the focal focal point, or you can say this is the focal plane, actually meeting at the focal plane. So there can be two cases of this. Now this is the focal plane. So so here you can say for position, the image is formed at focal plane, at focus or focal plane, and nature, rays are actually meeting, so we can say real and inverted. And size very smaller than object. Size of image is very small. Point size, you can say, very small. Focal plane is something like, you can write focal plane. Focal plane. So suppose this is mirror and this is principal axis. This is principal axis and this is the focus. And this all, this plane, here will be a plane. This plane is known as focal plane. Means you can say a plane passing from focus. You can say a plane passing from focus. Okay, so this is focal plane. Plane means you can consider a plain paper. Like a plain paper, you can imagine plain like this. A page of your copy. Oh, and which is passing from the focus. So image is at focal plane and now write down.
Done, sir.